குளிச்சியா? இல்ல. நீ சாப்பிட்டியா? சாப்பிட்ட. தினமும் காலை எழுந்திட வேண்டும். உடனே பல் தேய்த்திட வேண்டும்.
இதை எப்படி ஃபீலிங் பண்றதுன்னு நீ இப்போ ஒரு தடவை டெமோ
சன்னி பக்கத்து சன்னி சுற்றி வரதுக்கு 8 நிமிஷம் ஆகும். Thank you. First, hello clouds. It is numbers 1 2 இது பாரு எடுத்து E very good. Very good.
next double able stand straight second
கனிஷ்கா கனிஷ்கா இங்க பாரு வலிக்குதா ஹலோ ஹலோ
Satya Special School was started in 2003 with the aim of providing rehabilitation services for children who were otherwise abandoned, discriminated, or not recognized by their own families. Most of them were from single parent households where it was the mother who was responsible for taking care of the child and also for bringing in income into the family. When we started Satya, we realized that there was a lot of myth surrounding disability. It was looked at as a punishment of God, as something that the mother has done in her previous birth, because of which God has punished her with a special needs child, and neither the mother nor the child was accepted by the family. In our 15 years of work, what we have managed to do is to slowly change this myth, increase the acceptance of children with special needs, probably by focusing more on the ability in the disability and rather than what the child cannot do, and focus more on what the child can do. This has actually resulted in a number of children moving ahead in their lives, taking care of their own families, getting up to colleges, doing their own jobs, having a dignity in their life and not being totally dependent on the family, and slowly changing this view from being a burden to the family to being an asset to the family. And this, I think, has been Satya's success. And the way forward for us is to get all the children into mainstream schools, into the society, to have the acceptance, to live a normal life like you and me. And by doing this, we could actually help not just the child but also the family to live a meaningful life. Otherwise, this is a forgotten community and something that I don't think India as a population can afford, because we are a huge number. The way forward for us in Satya is to get these children into mainstream schools, is to give them whatever training possible with the ability and improve them to lead a near normal life like you and me. And in this journey, if I could get the support of organizations, of research institutes, of universities, of anybody who is interested in changing their lives, you're most welcome to join me on this journey of changing lives and reaching the unreached.